What's up, YouTube? On today's episode, we're going to show you how to add eagle eye LED lights to your trimmed fender mods once you cut the fenders on your Jeep. So stay tuned to see how we do it. So we've already done the mod ourselves. We went ahead and did it at the same time that we trimmed our fender flares. However, one of the sides has turned off, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. And we figured we'd make a video just to show you how it's done. As you can see, it's right over here. Looks pretty factory. It looks well. It's extremely bright at night, and it adds that safety that the original side marker had. So the wiring is pretty simple. You just cut the original one off and you wire these two on. There's two ways to go about this. You could either crimp it on using a crimper, or you can go ahead and solder it on. So I always prefer crimping. Some people prefer soldering. I just prefer not to inhale fumes. So I go ahead and crimp, and if it doesn't hold up or if something happens, no problem. I'll just go ahead and redo it. I prefer health. So we're gonna start off by removing our original setup. So let's take a look here. Alright, so this white and black are the original lights set up. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut these. And this is connected to our bulb. So we're gonna start off by removing the old one. As you can see, this one didn't last very long, which is fine because they're easy to replace and they're pretty inexpensive. The other side lasts, so I guess it's just hit or miss. So it's really easy. You just put the unit through the hole, and you go ahead and use a nut that comes with it to screw it on and hold it secured from the rear. Once you connect it, you're all ready to go. So initially, you have to drill a hole through the body of your vehicle. So you can take, starting from a smaller size, drilling all the way out to a larger one. We've already done this, so I'm not going to go ahead and show you again, but all you need is a drill bit and a drill, and you go ahead and keep drilling until you get the right size hole. This is what 1 year on the road does to LED lights. Good thing we have 10 replacements. All right, so let's go ahead and replace it.
Now you're just gonna fish it through from the bottom all the way to the top. How to pull that wire up.
Just go ahead and strip the wiring on all four ends. Red connects to white, black connects to black. Slide the crimp connector over. I understand this is like end-to-end butt connectors, but I'm using it as just an end style. It's okay, I'm gonna tape it off. Black is done. Before I go ahead and use electrical tape, I just want to go ahead and test it out, make sure it works. And off. And on. All right, looks good. Now that we know it works, let's go ahead and tape things up. Remember, tape them separately from each other. Gonna just throw another zip tie down over here. And there you have it. That's how you go ahead and install it. And you could do this for the first time, you could replace it. I hope this video is helpful to you. And just as a reminder, we're doing pretty well on our subscriber count, but we are still giving away this set of LED headlights. These are the really nice set. They're what we currently have installed as well. And we're gonna go ahead and give away a free set to a random person once we get to 500 subscribers. So make sure you click that subscribe button, and thanks again for watching.